Hello, welcome to English Practice today. This is a place where you can learn English step by step. Every day we share easy lessons to help you speak English better. We want you to feel happy and ready to learn, so let's start learning English together. Today, we will talk for a long time in English. It will be easy and fun. We will talk like friends. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. The most important thing is to try and practice. So get comfortable, get some water or tea, find a nice place to sit. This is your time to learn English. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can repeat after me anytime you want. Sometimes I will ask you questions. You can answer out loud. Don't worry if no one is listening. Talking to yourself in English is a great way to learn. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's meet each other. First, let me tell you about myself, then you can tell me about yourself. My name is Sarah. I am an English teacher. I like to help people learn English. I also like to read books and watch movies. I like to walk in the park. I like to listen to music. Now it's your turn. Say your name out loud. Good. Now tell me about yourself. What do you like to do? Do you like to read? Do you like to watch TV? Do you like to cook? Say it in English. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just try. You can say, my name is John. I like to read books. I like to watch movies. I like to cook food. I like to walk in the park. Now you try. You can stop the video if you need more time. Try to say at least 3 things about yourself. Very good. The more you speak, the better you will get. Remember, practice makes you better. Let's talk about your day. Now, let's talk about what you do every day. I will tell you about my day first. Then you can tell me about your day. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I drink a glass of water. Then I make breakfast. I eat eggs and bread. I drink tea. After breakfast, I go to work. I start work at 9 in the morning. I teach English to students. I also make videos like this one. At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch. I like to eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I eat chicken. After lunch, I rest for a little bit. Then I work again. In the evening, I go for a walk. I eat dinner at 8 o'clock. Then I read a book or watch TV. I go to sleep at 10:30. Now tell me about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? When do you start work or school? What do you do in the evening? Say it in English. You can use my words and change them for your life. For example, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat bread and drink coffee for breakfast. I start work at 8 o'clock. I eat lunch at 12:30. In the evening, I watch TV. I eat dinner at 7:30. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Try to say it now. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try your best. Great work. Talking about your day is a good way to practice English words you use every day. Let's practice simple conversations. Now let's practice talking to other people. When you meet someone new, what do you say? Let's practice together. You can say, "Hello, how are you?" The other person says, "I'm fine, thank you. How are you?" You say, "I'm good, thank you. Let's try again. Hello, nice to meet you." Nice to meet you too. What is your name? My name is Anna. What is your name? My name is Tom. Where are you from? I am from Japan. Where are you from? I am from Mexico. Now repeat these sentences after me. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is... Where are you from? I am from... Perfect. Now you can answer these questions about yourself. Let's go to a coffee shop now. Let's practice ordering food and drinks. Imagine we are at a coffee shop. I will be the worker. You will be the customer. Worker. Good morning. What would you like? Customer. I would like a cup of coffee, please. Worker. Do you want anything to eat? Customer. Yes, I would like a sandwich, please. Worker. Okay, your coffee and sandwich will be ready soon. Customer. Thank you. Let's practice these sentences. I would like a cup of coffee, please. I would like a sandwich, please. Can I have some water, please? Thank you. Now let's try another example. Let's go to a restaurant. You say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Worker. Yes, here is the menu. You say, I would like chicken and rice, please. Worker. Do you want anything to drink? You say, yes, I would like orange juice, please. Worker. Okay, your food will be ready in 10 minutes. You say, thank you. Practice these conversations. You can do this alone or with a friend. This will help you when you go to real restaurants or coffee shops. Let's go shopping now. Let's practice shopping. This is very useful when you go to stores. You can say, excuse me, how much is this shirt? Worker, it's $20. You, can I try it on? Worker, yes, the changing room is over there. You, it looks good. I will buy it. Worker, how do you want to pay? You, I will pay with my card. Worker, thank you. Let's practice these sentences. How much is this? Can I try it on? I will buy it. I will pay with my card. Thank you. Very good. These sentences will help you when you go shopping. Let's talk about things around us. Now, let's practice talking about things we can see. Look around you right now. What do you see? I see a table. I see a chair. I see a computer. I see a cup. I see a window. I see some books. Now you try. Look around your room. Say what you see in English. You can say, I see a bed, I see a TV, I see a phone, I see a bottle, I see a bag. This is a good way to learn new words. You can do this every day. Look around and name things in English. Let's ask for help. Sometimes we need to ask for help. Let's learn how to do this politely. You can say, excuse me, can you help me? Can you tell me where the bank is? Can you show me the way to the store? I need help, please. Where is the train station? When someone helps you, always say, thank you very much. Let's practice. Imagine you are lost. You can say, excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for the hospital. The person might say, go straight, then turn left. The hospital is next to the park. You say, thank you very much. Practice these conversations. Being polite is very important in English. Let's talk about the weather. Talking about the weather is very common in English. People talk about the weather when they meet friends or start conversations. Here are some easy sentences. It's sunny today. It's raining. It's very hot. It's cold. It's cloudy. It's windy. Now look outside your window. How is the weather? Say it in English. You can say, it's sunny today, or it's raining now, or it's very hot today. Let's practice a conversation about weather. Person 1, hello, how are you? Person 2, I'm good, nice weather today, isn't it? Person 1, yes, it's very sunny, I like sunny days. Person 2, me too, I hope it stays sunny all day. Now, you try to have a weather conversation by yourself. Practice with different types of weather. Let's talk about food. Food is a fun topic to talk about. Everyone likes to eat. Let me tell you about my favorite foods. I like pizza, I like chicken, I like rice, I like apples, I like chocolate, I like tea. Now, tell me about your favorite foods. Say it in English. You can say, I like pizza, I like noodles, I like fish, I like bananas, I like ice cream, I like coffee. Let's practice some questions about food. What do you like to eat? What is your favorite food? Do you like spicy food? Do you like sweet food? What do you eat for breakfast? Answer these questions out loud. For example, I like to eat chicken and rice. My favorite food is pizza. Yes, I like spicy food. No, I don't like spicy food. Yes, I like sweet food. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. Let's talk about hobbies. Hobbies are things you like to do in your free time. Let me tell you about my hobbies. I like to read books. I like to watch movies. I like to listen to music. I like to walk in the park. I like to cook new food. Now, tell me about your hobbies. What do you like to do when you are free? You can say, I like to play games, I like to watch TV, I like to swim, I like to dance, I like to draw pictures. Let's practice a conversation about hobbies. Person 1. What do you like to do in your free time? Person 2. I like to read books. What about you? Person 1, I like to watch movies and listen to music. Person 2, that sounds fun. Now practice this conversation. Change the hobbies each time you practice. Let's talk about family. Family is very important. Let me tell you about my family. I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family. I have a mother, a father, and 1 brother. My mother is a teacher, my father is a doctor, my brother is a student. We live together in a house. Now, tell me about your family. How many people are in your family? You can say, I have a big family. I have a mother, a father, 2 sisters, and 1 brother. My mother works in an office. My father is a teacher. My sisters are students. Let's practice some questions about family. How many people are in your family? Do you have brothers or sisters? What does your father do? What does your mother do? Do you live with your family? Answer these questions in English. Practice until you feel comfortable. Let's talk about daily activities. Let's practice talking about things we do every day. These are called daily activities. Here are some daily activities. Wake up, brush teeth. Take a shower, eat breakfast. Go to work, school, eat lunch. Come home, eat dinner. Watch TV, go to sleep. Now make sentences with these activities. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth every morning. I take a shower before breakfast. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to work at 9 o'clock. Try to make sentences about your daily activities. Use the words above and add your own times. Let's practice asking questions. Asking questions is very important in English. Let's learn how to ask simple questions. To ask about time, what time is it? To ask about location, where is the bank? To ask about food, what do you want to eat? To ask about activities, what do you do? To ask about preferences, what do you like? Now let's practice answering these questions. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Where is the bank? It's next to the store. What do you want to eat? I want to eat pizza. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you like? I like music. Practice asking and answering these questions. Let's talk about colors. Colors are easy to learn and useful in daily life. Let's learn some basic colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, pink, orange, purple, brown. Now let's use colors in sentences. My car is red, the sky is blue, the grass is green, the sun is yellow. I like black shoes. I'm wearing a white shirt. Look around you. What colors do you see? Say them in English. You can say, I see a red book, I see a blue pen, I see a green plant. Let's talk about numbers. Numbers are very important in daily life. Let's practice counting from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's use numbers in sentences. I have 2 books. There are 5 people in my family. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I am 20 years old. Practice using numbers in your own sentences. Let's talk about transportation. Transportation means how we travel from one place to another. Let's learn some ways to travel. Car, bus, train, bicycle, motorcycle, airplane, boat. Now let's use these in sentences. I go to work by car. I take the bus to school. I travel by train to other cities. I ride my bicycle in the park. I have never been on an airplane. How do you travel? Say it in English. You can say, I go to work by bus. I travel by train when I visit my family. Let's talk about health. Health is very important. Let's learn how to talk about how we feel. When you feel good, you can say, I feel good. I am healthy. I feel great. I am fine. When you don't feel good, you can say, I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a cold. I am tired. I am sick. If you need to see a doctor, you can say, I need to see a doctor. I need medicine. I need to rest. Let's practice a conversation with a doctor. Doctor, how do you feel? You, I don't feel well. I have a headache. Doctor, how long have you had it? You, for 2 days. Doctor, take this medicine and rest. You, thank you, doctor. Let's talk about time. Time is very important in daily life. Let's learn how to ask and tell time. To ask the time, what time is it? To tell time, it's 1 o'clock. It's 2:30, 2:30. It's 3:15, 3:15. It's 4:45, 4:45. We also use these words with time. In the morning, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. In the afternoon, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. In the evening, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. At night, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Practice saying different times. Look at a clock and say the time in English. Let's talk about days and months. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's use them in sentences. Today is Monday. I was born in January. I like sunny days in May. Christmas is in December. What day is today? What month is it now? Say it in English. Let's practice polite expressions. Being polite is very important in English. Here are some polite expressions. Please, when asking for something. Thank you when someone helps you. You're welcome when someone thanks you. Excuse me to get someone's attention. I'm sorry when you make a mistake. Let's practice. Can you help me, please? Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? I'm sorry, I don't understand. Use these expressions every day. They will make your English sound more natural and friendly. Let's talk about feelings. It's important to express how you feel. Here are some feeling words: happy, sad, angry, excited, tired, hungry, thirsty, bored, nervous, surprised. Let's use them in sentences. I am happy today. I feel sad when it rains. I'm excited about my trip. I am tired after work. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. How do you feel right now? Say it in English. Let's practice simple conversations. Now let's put everything together and practice some complete conversations. At a store. You. Hello, how much is this shirt? Worker. It's $25. You. Can I try it on? Worker. Yes, the changing room is over there. You. Thank you. Meeting a friend. Friend. Hi, how are you? You. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Friend. I'm fine. What are you doing today? You. I'm going shopping. What about you? Friend. I'm going to the park. At a restaurant. Waiter. What would you like to eat? You. I would like chicken and rice, please. Waiter. What would you like to drink? You. I would like water, please. Waiter. Okay, your food will be ready soon. Practice these conversations many times. Try to change some words each time. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have practiced a lot of English today. You learned how to introduce yourself. Talk about your daily routine, ask for help, order food, go shopping. Talk about weather, food, family, and hobbies. Express feelings. Be polite. Ask and answer questions. Remember, learning English takes time and practice. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will become. Here are some tips for continuing to learn. Practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Listen to English songs, watch English movies, and read simple English books. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Find someone to practice with, like a friend or family member. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language is a journey. Keep practicing and you will see improvement. Good luck with your English learning journey. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time.